Windows just launched a powerful new mini language model, fully local, lightning fast. Meanwhile, Google dropped a groundbreaking open-source music AI that can jam in real time, switch instruments mid-bar, and follow your prompts right inside your browser. Then there's Similar, an AI agent that automates your online tasks without giving up control. And OpenAI's new hardware venture with Apple legend Jony Ive just hit a major legal wall. AI is moving fast, so here's everything you need to know. Let's start with something hidden deep inside Windows. Microsoft has quietly embedded a micro model named MW into Copilot Plus PCs. It's shockingly efficient, packed with 330 million parameters, and it doesn't work like other AIs. Instead of analyzing your input bit by bit, MW captures the meaning once, stores it in memory, and generates a smart reply, all on device. Because it runs on a dedicated neural processing unit, it delivers replies almost twice as fast as similar models and nearly 5 times faster in total. So when you type something like, dim the keyboard backlight after 5 minutes, it executes instantly, no cloud, no delay. It's been engineered to be multitask friendly, optimized for long conversations, and trained using curated educational material and distilled knowledge from larger models. It even learned Windows settings from 3.5 million examples, everything from brightness to privacy, and was trained to handle typos and natural phrasing. Despite its small size, MW performs nearly as well as much larger models, running over 200 words per second on devices like the Surface Laptop 7. For complex queries, it responds in under half a second, and for short searches, it smartly defaults to regular search to avoid confusion. Bonus, if you have dual monitors and ask it to adjust brightness, it'll ask which one. That's real intelligence. Switching gears, Google's Magenta team just released a bombshell in AI music, Magenta RT. It's open source under Apache 2.0, live on GitHub and Hugging Face, and clocks in at 800 million parameters. And here's the kicker. It generates 2 seconds of stereo audio in just 1.25 seconds, fast enough for live jamming with real-time prompt control. It uses a smart streaming architecture, breaking down audio into codec tokens with a 10-second memory window and a hybrid embedding system called Music Coco. That means you can blend phrases like lo-fi house groove with a recorded guitar lick, and it will keep the vibes steady. It was trained on 190,000 hours of instrumental tracks using a layered neural codec, which keeps sound quality crisp and latency low. Plus, Google optimized it for chunked streaming with overlapping segments to avoid clicks, and used XLA compilation to boost memory efficiency. You can morph styles mid-bar from synthwave to bossa nova piano without missing a beat. And since it's self-hostable, no API limits or paywalls. They're even hinting at future on-device versions and personal fine-tuning, making this a game changer for musicians, DJs, and game devs. Now let's talk local AI agents. A startup called Similar is reimagining web browsing on Mac by ditching the cloud. It spins up a secure WebKit window on your desktop and mirrors your every click locally, keeping cookies, logins, and autofill data on your own SSD. It gives you full control. AI helps, but you're always in charge. If it clicks the wrong button or misreads a CAPTCHA, you can just nudge it aside. Built by ex-DeepMind engineers, Similar runs on their open-source S2 framework, complete with goal planning, pixel-level vision, modular agents, and short-term memory for smooth automation. It scored over 90% on the Web Voyager benchmark and outperformed OpenAI and Anthropic on real-world mobile tasks. Users are already saving time. One had it coordinate groceries across 3 sites. Another used it to pull tracking numbers and summarize shipping data in Notion. Because it's all local, the agent logs into paywalled sites using your own credentials. Nothing gets sent to the cloud. Even with unstable Wi-Fi, the experience stays smooth. It's not a fully autonomous browser, it's more like a smart assistant that does the boring stuff and taps you for anything critical. Finally, OpenAI's high-profile partnership with Jony Ive just hit a legal snag. They announced a $6.5 billion acquisition of Ive's hardware studio, I.O., aiming to design ultra-minimalist AI devices. But a hearing aid startup named I.O. filed a trademark lawsuit, and a court ordered OpenAI to pull all branding. The official blog post and a 9-minute video of Ive and Sam Altman chatting, gone from OpenAI.com. though it's still floating around YouTube. OpenAI says the deal itself is still intact, they just need to rebrand while legal teams sort it out. In the video, Ive said his 30 years of experience led to this moment. Altman called the prototype the coolest piece of tech the world's ever seen. Insiders describe it as a discrete desktop companion designed to fit naturally alongside your MacBook and iPhone. Release is expected next year, but this shows even giants can stumble when it comes to trademarks in the real world.
If you're experimenting with any of these tools, MW, Magenta RT, or similar, drop a comment and let me know how they're fitting into your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.